how to disable messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable messages on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as message and story replies. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, just tap on the option labeled as message request. And now here in this section, you'll see the different option. So here, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as who can send you message request. So here you can set this option to no one, and with that you can also scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as who can add you to group chats. So here you can just select the second option, and with this you can also toggle on this option that says hide unwanted messages request. And here, once you do that, it will help you to disable messages on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.